Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to the online support program. I am Razia Ali, computer science teacher. The topic which we are going to discuss is all about computer security, and it is included in computer security and ethics chapter number 6. Let me tell you first about this chapter, what things are to be discussed in this chapter. This first of all, computer security, importance of computer security, ethics of computer, which means computer technology should not be used to harm other people who use computers. This unit presents material about computer security and moral guidelines for ethical use of the computer. And moreover, in this unit is consist of malware topic and types of malware, authentication, authorization, and so on. All these topics are included in this computer security chapter, but we will discuss all the things step by step in this video lecture. The topics which we are going to discuss is the agenda is what is computer security, and the second point is which components of computer system to be secured, and third point is importance of computer security, and fourth point is basic computer security, which means how to protect your computer from viruses, hackers, and thieves. So these are the points which we are going to discuss in this video lecture. So let's start with the first point. What is computer security? Computer secure mean to protect. We have to protect our computer from whom? From unauthorized users and from unauthorized softwares. For example, malwares, malicious softwares, viruses, worm, Trojan horse, all these things are dangerous for our computer. And then also the person who is not supposed to use our data are also dangerous for us. So those are known as unauthorized users. We have to protect our computer from those unauthorized users. So let's see that computer security, the protection of computer system and information from harm, theft, and unauthorized use. And our computer security is ability of a computer system to protect information with respect of confidentiality and integrity. So the data which is confidential and which is not supposed to use by the others and which is not supposed to use share with others, so for that purpose that is known as computer security. So to protect these confidential data, this confidential information from others. So it means to protect our computer. Computer security means to protect our computer. So let's discuss the second topic, that which components of computer system to be protected. The components which are to be protected are hardware, firmware, and software. As you know about the hardware, all the physical components of the computer which you can touch, these should be protected from unauthorized user, unauthorized softwares, malicious softwares. So firmware, all the permanent softwares which are attached to the hardware with the non-volatile memory, and mostly these softwares is invisible. We cannot see these softwares. So these softwares should be protected, otherwise our system will run slow and our system will not work in a proper way. So the third point is software means instructions, programs, all the programs which are used to control our computer system, which are used for our benefits, which are used to increase the productivity of our work, all are known as softwares. So different types of softwares we will discuss in different lectures. So softwares include, for example, operating system is a software which controls overall working of our system. Drivers are the softwares which controls the devices of our computer system, and MS Word is a software which is used to increase the productivity of our documentary work, and so on. So software, these are the components which should be protected, otherwise our computer will not run in a proper way. So hardware, firmware, and software should be protected, and all the things are is in our computer system is based on all these things. So these things should be protected. Now let's discuss the next topic. What is the importance of computer security? It is very important to secure our computer because computer users often exchange information with each other or communication over internet. This can infect a user's computer with virus or other types of malicious software. Some users are aware of computer threats, but many are unaware and do not know how to protect their computer. Computer security or safety is important for computer users to protect their computer from different threats. It is necessary to install security software such as firewall, antivirus, and spyware on your computer to protect your computer. So it's very important to protect your computer from different malicious softwares and different unauthorized users. To run your computer in a proper way, in a smooth way, so to make your operating system a long life, and your computer run in a quicker and smooth way. Okay, fine. The next point is basic computer security. It means how to protect your computer from viruses or hackers or thieves. So the first point is enable automatic updates. It means to stay up to date on the latest software and news surrounding your devices and perform software updates and as soon as they become available. So you have to update your softwares as soon as possible. So the second point is use viruses and anti-malwares. Malware means malicious softwares, the softwares which are used to destroy your hardware, software, and so on. So anti-malware, so against the all these softwares and things, we have to install the softwares. So secure your computer physically by installing reliable antivirus softwares, activating your firewall, because a firewall acts as a security guard between the internet and your local area network. So you have to install any type of antivirus in your computer. The third point is craft better password and automate them. You need to, so the third point is you have to change your password regularly using unique combination of numbers, letter, and case types. Don't use the same password for your all account. For example, for Facebook account, for Instagram account, don't use these things, because any hacker can hack your password, and if your password is same in all accounts, so you can open all accounts in all accounts. So use different types of softwares. The fourth point is never leave your phone or computer unattended. So be with your phone and computer, otherwise your computer and phone will be damaged. So the other points are: know which links are safe to click in emails, be careful about programs you download and run. So for that purpose, taking the time to research the basic aspects of computer security and educate yourself on evolving cyber threats, perform daily full scans and create a peer system, and you must take backup of your system softwares, and you must take backup of your important photographs and data, because if you're avoid clicking on email attachments unless you know the source. So all you have to take care about all these things, then your computer will be secure. Otherwise you download means basically download itself means that welcome. Download from online means to welcome the virus. So protect your computer, secure your computer because of your data and information in it, and so on. So I hope and you understand what is the computer security.